Hello, I'm Sophia, and I'm here with my little brother Joseph. And today we are making Rugelach, which is like croissant-shaped cookies.
Yummy.
So time to make the dough. We start with 2 cups flour and 6 tablespoons of sugar. This is a lot of sugar. Our last 2 sections. Now time to flatten the dough.
We do that by putting the dough over some parchment paper and then putting parchment paper on top of it too. And then you could use a
roll it out.
You could push it, and if you have a rolling pin, you can drill it 10 inches.
Okay, now do it this way. You could also use the map that they gave us to measure out 10 inches exactly.
Right? 10 by 10.
That looks really good.
Now we put it in the fridge for 2 hours.
Now we have to make the chocolate filling. We have to put a lot of
chocolate
chips.
And if you don't have enough, you can grab more and eat them.
And now we have a lot of chocolate powder.
Cocoa powder. Cocoa powder. It's very chocolatey. It's chocolatey.
Can you put that in?
It makes it chocolatey. I need help too.
You need help?
Wait. Never.
Good job. And then we add normal sugar. That looks so good. Now that we're letting the dough cool, we have to preheat the oven and have a dance party. It's done, so time to put JoJo's on the cutting board.
Now we put them on the cutting board. Oh, all my chocolate chips went in one
Maybe
place.
a few more chocolate chips on yours.
Yep, I need one.
There you go.
Good. First, I would recommend cutting it into halves. Halves. Or
Make sure it goes all the way through.
or fourths.
Fourths. 2/4. And then you cut it into. Now you cut it into fourths. Now you cut it into.
And this one. One.
Did you just eat one?
No. I'm just spreading them.
Jojo.
What?
Totally. Now we use our egg wash all over all of them.
It's egg that you wash.
No, the egg washes.
I know. It's egg that you wash.
How does the egg wash?
You use it to wash.
What?
These?
Cookies?
Yes.
Is that ASMR?
Maybe.
It's kind of like you're painting them.
I know it.
Our Rugelach are finally out of the oven and they're smelling really good.
Yummy.
Let's try it. It's so chocolatey. Thank you, Kidstir.